Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time, thank you very much. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the notification bell to all. For those who have already subscribed, thank you very much, and thank you for the nice comments. God bless you. So in this video, we want to prepare one of our this food in Nigeria. So this is my leaf, this is my corn. They call it eko. In Yoruba side we call it eko. Okay, Igbo they call it agidi. So his pap is like pap. Okay, follow us as we want to prepare this food. So this is my water. I boiled it. So is I want to add my water to this pot. So this is water. Watch out on my YouTube channel. The processing of this pap is on my YouTube channel, and we have the millet one is on my YouTube channel. Thank you. This one is not the smooth one. Okay. Hello, beautiful people, please help me to subscribe. Help me to press that red button. Okay, subscribe for more videos. Share, help me to share this video. Thank you very much. Subscribe, press the notification button. Thank you. So beautiful people, it's ready to pack. You want pawpaw? Okay. I'll bring pawpaw. Be careful if you are doing this. Oh, it's hot. Okay. I want to add this. Don't touch it though, it's hot. Kill it.
See my God. See my God. Hello.
Leave there now. So, beautiful people, this is nice. We are waiting for like 2 hours to cook. Okay. So, beautiful people, thank you very much for watching this video. Okay, so this is nice. We are waiting for 2 hours. 2 hours. Okay. Subscribe or like, share, comment. Please help me to share. Share, oh, eh? Mwah. Beautiful people, as you see, the white corn is ready. This is agidi. You see, this is nice. You see, so we are going to eat it. Watch out for our next video how we are going to eat this food. It's delicious. Subscribe for press the notification bell all, because see, this is nice. You see, this is nice. So subscribe, press the notification bell all. Subscribe, share, like, comment. Mwah!